everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I was busy exploring holiday sets and I'm super excited about it because I love Lancome products and I keep trying different things from Lancome. And today I'm going to show you a couple of things that are absolutely amazing, stunning, and they can make perfect gift sets. And if you just want to go for a single product, they have got you covered. So let's just get started. I can't wait anymore. The first set, which is the biggest set I've got from Lancome, is this one. It's huge. And this one is a purchase with purchase set. It has got 9 full-sized products, beauty products, all favorites, and that comes with purchase. So I bought something just to get this box. I wanted to get this box because it is a great value, a great deal, and everything that is showing in here, that's my favorite. So I wanted to try this box, and that's why I wanted to get something from Lancome, because I know that things that I'm gonna pick from the brand are going to be amazing, because I have tried quite a lot products from Lancome and I really have amazing experience with the brand. So I decided to go for this one. This is Absolute Rose Lotion. I love roses. I all the time say that anything that has rose petals, it will always attract me, and the natural the better. So this one, let me talk about this one first and then I'll show you what is inside, because I can't wait to show you that. I'm very excited about this beauty box. It was on my wish list for a while and I finally got it. Absolute Precious Cells Rose Lotion. It is revitalizing lotion, and in just one line I can describe it, that it will make you feel that you are waking up with roses. And I really love to put on something after I get up, after I'm done with all the rituals and all the routines. I just want to cleanse my face and I want the freshness of roses on my face. So either I would go for a rose mask or I would go for a rose sheet mask, something I really love to put on. And while that is working, I would sip my tea. That's the routine, that's the morning routine I love. And as I said, I love to wake up with roses. So this is the bottle that I got, and it has got the rose petals in it. How I like to use it, I use it just like a beautiful mask. And it is gel-like, it is really amazing consistency, and of course it gives you the perfect hydration boost. So weather is changing, we need hydration, and I want to take care of my skin and I want to adapt to the natural changes. So this is the gel-like serum from Lancome. It smells like roses, natural roses. I just love it and feels amazing on the skin. It is actually plumping up the skin, smoothing it out, evening it out, and of course you are getting instant hydration boost. So you will feel the glow, you will feel the plumpness, you will feel that you are like a fresh rose. So I just am amazed with this line, and there are so many beautiful products from Absolute line, and I want to try each one of it one by one. That is on my wish list too. But yeah, taking my moment because it's holiday time and there are so many beautiful sets are coming in and I really want to explore the holiday sets. So yeah, because it was a purchase with purchase holiday set deal, so I wanted to try something. I got this one and this allowed me to get my beauty box, and I'm amazed that I got this one because I really love the consistency, love the feel. And if you are a rose lover just like me, you will love it. Look at how beautiful the bottle is. It's a glass bottle and you are getting almost rose petals in bottle. Yeah, if you are into roses, you really appreciate the skin healing properties roses have, you got to check this out because it's really amazing. You would be amazed with it. You can use it before applying your moisturizer. You can use it as your mask. You can just use it. Sometimes I just want to use it as my hand cream because I just love to lather something on all the time. Of course, I want something which is hydrating and non-greasy stuff. That's my favorite. And of course, I'm sure that you would agree with me that you really want something which is hydrating but not greasy, and you really want that beautiful aesthetic feeling from your skincare. So this is really something that you should check out. Now I'm going to show you the products that I got with the beauty box, but I can't just take my eyes off this beautiful bottle. And every single morning I just get that constant reminder in my mind that I want to apply this on my face because I really love the feeling of it. Fresh, just fresh. Amazing. So that was about Absolute Rose Lotion. And now I'm going to open my box. This is a Lancome Bonanza. Love this holiday gift set. Look at this. I want to travel with it. Whenever I get to travel, I want to travel with it. It's so beautiful, so handy, and it is so big. Like, look at that. Isn't it an amazing size? So it's perfect for me because I love to carry lots of makeup with me whenever I get to travel, whenever I travel, wherever I go. Makeup, skincare, hair care, yeah, everything. So now I'm going to open it and I will show you the products that I'm getting in this beauty box train case. So those are the products. Okay, and these are full-size products, and one by one I'm going to go through. I haven't tried everything. I have tried it like in general, but not from this train case beauty box holiday gift set. So a couple of things I've already I tried. I couldn't wait, and I'll tell you that. The mask, Genifique mask, I haven't tried it yet. I want to try it. Very excited about it. Festivity is going on. I am getting lot of beautiful moments, and I am really excited. I want my skin to look fantastic, healthy, glowy, beautiful skin. That's always my priority, and I do everything that makes sense to me to keep it that way. So I really want to try it. Very excited about it because I have already tried Genifique serum, so I can give you some idea about that it's an amazing serum. If you want to invest in it, it is really beautiful and it makes your skin look naturally beautiful, the best it can be. So there are lots of serum that I have been trying, but there are a couple that stand out, and Genifique is one of those serums. I really enjoy it. So I'm excited to use this mask. A relaxing day and this mask. Yes, looking forward to it. The second product that I was very excited about, 30 ml. You're getting 30 ml Genifique serum. And just now I talked about it. And then you are getting an eye concentrate. So this is the Genifique Light Pearl Eye Concentrate. I did not use it yet and excited to try it and see the results. So that is something that you're getting in this box. And you are getting 20 ml of Genifique eye concentrate. So this one is 20, this one is 30. And I already showed you the mask. So these are the products, first 3 products, 6 more to go. Another product that is my favorite, and it has been my favorite for a while, eye makeup remover from Lancome, and you are getting 125 ml in this bottle. I really love this product. I feel that it is very gentle on my eye area and it takes away residue, so I really enjoy this product. And whenever I get a set, I really appreciate if this is included because I really love it. So that is something you're getting in this beauty box. Also, my friends, you are getting Renergy Lift Moisturizer. This one is lifting, firming, multi-action ultra. I did not try it yet. I want to try it and very excited about it. I'm very excited about the packaging, of course. And apart from that, how it feels on my skin, I really want to discover that. It is a beautiful peachy colored cream. And I love the scent of Lancome. In every single product, I am really enjoying the products, yes. But I really love the scent of Lancome because it reminds me of roses, natural roses, and it just feels that way that I have kept a beautiful rose bouquet right next to me. And that is a pleasant feeling to me. So I enjoy it very much and very excited to use this Ultra Lift. Yes, multi-action ultra lifting firming cream. Favorites. Lancome lipstick. If you are watching me from the very beginning, you know that I love these lipsticks a lot because they are lightweight, they smell like roses, they go on beautifully, pigmented, high pigment, every single thing that I would want from a lipstick. It's elegance in a tube. I just love that very much into these lipsticks. And I remember buying my first lipstick from Lancome, and I'm still using it. I just love the feel of it on my lips because that color is so me that I keep buying that color. And that is Lancome's Rose lipstick. If I am right, it is 368. It is fuchsia, and that is just my color. Love it. And this one is coming in this beauty box, a beautiful red. Yeah, that's the name. I just love that color because I really enjoy a lovely red color throughout, but especially during holiday season. And you are getting a full size of a beautiful red lipstick of holiday. And I'm going to show you the swatch of it because they got something yeah, because I'm going to show you the swatch of it. Or shall I just put it on? I think I'm going to put it on because I just love it. Love the feel. Beautiful. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it is brilliantly done. So I just am super happy about this lipstick because I love Lancome lipsticks very much. I keep recommending them. They are very chic. I just love the whole style, the packaging, the feel, everything, color, just right on point. So you're getting that in this beautiful beauty box. Lash serum, full size. Mascara, people love it for reasons. I love the combination of these two because this one is really a very lightweight serum. It preps your lashes beautifully and then it goes on. Love. I just was amazed the way it showed because so lengthening, separating, full definition. So really love Definitions. And over 30 years, it has been popular, famous for a reason, and I still see people buying it all the time, and I just wanted to try it, so never got a full size of it. I've got my favorites from Lancome mascaras. They do mascaras so well, and I never tried this one, but the way it is showing on my lashes, it's amazing. So maybe some other day I can show you the mascara, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you the way it feels on my lashes. It's lightweight, it's feathery, it's separating, it's lengthening, and I'm amazed with the lash serum, and the combination of these two, it's amazing, really amazing. So it will give you that beautiful awaken eyes, and you don't even have to build it on that much. It's really going to stay there and lift your eyes. So very beautiful combination. I'm going to show you the face palette. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't it amazing? So excited. So that is the palette, and I have used it. As you can see, look at the colors. It's gorgeous on your cheeks, it's gorgeous on your eyes. You get beautiful pigment and very classy look with this whole palette. The shadows are so buttery. Colors are so on point. I have used these two on my eyes, these two on my cheeks, and I'm so impressed with Lancome blushes, shadows, that I want to keep exploring different colors. And even if I don't use powder, I just want to, go for my tinted moisturizer and a little bit of blusher and a little bit of shadow with mascara. I feel very beautiful, and the look just looks very put together, very elegant, very nice. So really amazing to see this, because these are the colors that I don't have. I bought a bronzy kind of blush, if you remember. Check out my last video. I'm very amazed with it, and I keep applying it as my bronzer, I keep applying it as my blush, and also as my shadow. So that's a beautiful one. And then I bought this one. So this palette comes with this beautiful train case, beauty box, and of course I'm enjoying the shades of it. This beautiful mauvey purpley shade reminds me of the Balm Cosmetics Cabana Boy, and I really love that. So now I've got this beautiful peachy color blush. You can't go wrong with it because it looks very flattering on every single skin tone. This beautiful gold, it's amazing as your highlighter, it's amazing as your eye product. And this one is a very subdued color, but it is the beginner, it's like the starting point of my eye look. So this is something that I would apply all over my socket area, and then I would highlight my lids with this one, and the look would be beautiful with the combination of these two. You know what, maybe I can do a video on that. Yeah. And last but not least, a cute little bottle of fragrance, because the whole look and then a beautiful fragrance. So I haven't tried it, but I want to try it. The whole pink fuchsia vibe, I just love it. So that is the one you're getting, and I'm trying to get it out. It's a beautiful gift set for you. It's a beautiful gift set for your loved ones. So this is what you're getting, a cute little fragrance bottle. I would love to keep it on my display. So beautiful. And let me try it a little. So it doesn't have any spray. Oh, just amazing. Freshness. Look at it. Such pretty bottle. I'm very impressed. So guys, you can see the happiness, the joy on my face. And now finally I'm going to use this train case because I was waiting for this moment. I wanted to try actually show everything to all of you and the way it comes. So now this is the size. Look at that. Isn't it super big? I mean, I think this is going to take care of all my fragrance, my makeup. So those days, I'm waiting for those days, but I am very excited to get this train case, and I'm going to travel with it whenever I get to travel, as I said. So that's done. Next product that I want to show you, because today it's my Lancome day and I really want to show you a lot of things that I'm excited about, so that whenever you get a chance to look at those things, it just gives you a subtle hint, a reminder that these are the products that are really amazing. So as I was saying that I'm super impressed with the Lancome blushes. So this is another one that I picked up recently, recent purchase from Lancome, and that's the blush. And every time I do that, I forget that there is a beautiful handy brush. So that's the shade. I chose this one because I was looking for something in pink line, but winter pink, because I've got a lot of beautiful blushes and every single blush has its own beauty. I am enjoying Lancome blushes a lot. I got the coppery shade. Now I got this winter pink shade, which is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not wearing it today because just now I got it and I really want to enjoy it and show you how it goes on my cheeks. I have got Pat McGrath on. Remember Divine blushes? Yes, I've got a video on that. So if you haven't checked that out, just go ahead and click that, and I want to apply it. I really like that element in makeup when you have got a little bit of cool toned things going on, a little bit of warm toned things going on. It's a combination of both that, you know, I feel that it makes very beautiful, mysterious makeup element, and I really love that. So I try to get a little bit from, you know, cool toned color shades and something from warm, and I'm going to use this blush. I have got a lot of warm tone things going on here. So that's the blush. Oh, just a beautiful, it feels winter to me. What do you say? Doesn't it feel winter? I just the moment I looked at it, I just felt that way, that yeah, it's like a beautiful snowy winter day. You're wearing this blush and this lipstick. One of my favorite looks. So I'm going to enjoy this. Taking my moment. It's my blush moment, and that's the name of the blush. That is the name of the blush. Blush for You. 356. That's the shade number. The best part is that whenever I apply it, even if I'm not going with any powder or compact on my face, it just goes on beautifully and it doesn't feel patchy or it doesn't feel powdery. It feels very smooth, and I really love the feel of this blush on my face. You can't have enough blush. I just love this whole vibrant color on my face. It just feels that I'm taking a brisk walk, and now I'm getting all the beautiful healthy flush back on my cheeks. Super impressed, and you will see some more colors in my collection from Lancome because I am really finding them so beautiful on skin. It just freshens up the whole look instantly. So that's what, it's my Lancome haul. Lovely, right? And my dear friends, last but not least, another beautiful, cute little holiday set from Lancome. And check out their holiday sets. Guys, you will be amazed. It is surprising. It is beautiful. It is put together carefully. It is very elegant. It is so, so, so festive. So whenever I see a beautiful set from Lancome, I just want to get it and I just want to experience and feel the whole vibe of it, and of course the products. So I have never tried this Juicy Tubes from Lancome. I wanted to, but I never tried it, and this is an amazing chance for me to try this product because I'm getting 3 products, full-size products in this cute little backpack. And I'm a backpack person. I really love backpacks and I really love my makeup kits and bags. So whenever I see something and miniature products, like something which is like this, it just wins my heart. So I'm very, very excited to try this on. Never tried it. So maybe today I have my beautiful red on. I can show you the colors that are coming in this beautiful backpack. So these are the 3 shades that I'm getting. The names are Dreamsicle, Miracle, Tickle Pink, and I am absolutely excited about this one. So I'm going to try that first. If you have already tried these, share your experience with me because I'd love to know about new products or something that are already your favorites, because I have heard quite a lot of people saying that these are amazing on the lips. I have never experienced it and I'm very excited to experience it, and whenever I experience it, I'm definitely going to share my experience with all of you here on my channel. The video schedules are changing. I'm trying to post 1 video every single week because it is holiday season. I'm very excited and very busy, very happening time. So you will get to know more about the holiday sets, about the beautiful products that's coming in. And guys, look at this cute little pink pack. You can use it any way you like, or you can just keep it, display. I just am excited about this, plus these 3 super beautiful things. And the best part is you can share. If you want to share these items with any of your friends or family, you can totally do that. These are pretty good size product and everyone will love it. If you decide to give it to me, I would be super happy and cheerful. So for me, it is always like that. Whatever I want for me, whatever, be it fragrance, jewelry, lipstick, cute little backpacks, I try to give something from that bunch to my loved ones because that's the way I feel that it makes sense to me. If I can get excited about this product, maybe my loved ones would also be excited about this product. So that is something I keep in mind. A very nice, beautiful gift for yourself or for your loved ones. So everything that you want, I think you can get from the line. And also check out the beautiful holiday sets. A lot of, I love the boxes. But when there is a little something extra, and that extra is this cute, it's just irresistible. So on that note, I'm going to say bye to all of you. Thank you so much for being patient. Thank you so much for staying connected with me. Thank you so much for being here with me and for tuning in. Every time I post my videos, I just feel that this is a wonderful way to connect with my wonderful friends out there. And I made very nice friends through this platform. So I just love being on YouTube. I just love to film. I just love to share the beauty stuff, the fragrance, my choices basically with all of you. And I really appreciate your time, your patience, and your kind comments. So I really, really, really enjoy it. So keep the comments flowing, and of course share your favorites because I got to check those out too. It is that time of year. It is super exciting. It is festivity, and of course there are so many beautiful goodies, good products are coming in. So yeah, stay tuned and I will keep up with all the beautiful products that I can really connect with, and I would love to share those with all of you. Thank you so much for being here. See you next time.